What's up guys, my name is Priyank and today I'm back with another video. So I'm here at Tamasha. This is a newly opened restaurant in Kamla Mills, the ever so crowded hub for new restaurants. So let's not waste any time and let's take you inside and show you what this place is exactly like. Currently with Arun Suneji. He's a fantastic veg food blogger. So let's ask him about what are his favorite dishes. So what is the favorite dish that you liked at Tamasha today?
Today I have tried the cheese macaroni balls, which has a lot of cheese in it with small portion of macaroni in it. I like the cheese stuffing and the entire ball. If you bite it, you will enjoy the flavors of cheese in it. And second is that I liked is the corn tikki in it. So that has a little macaroni, it has little makhani sauce along with a small portion of roti which is served. This is famous in North. If you go in North, you will have tikkis with little makhani so that the dryness in the tikki is taken care by the makhani sauce.
Okay, so which is the one dish that you did not like?
That cannoli dish that was served with spring onions, I feel that was a little dry. I want a little bit of more mayo or some little extra element which can enhance the taste.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, we also have Mihir from For the Love of Food. So let's see what he likes. Okay, by the way, even he's a vegetarian food blogger. So lucky you guys, you're getting a lot of vegetarian food coverage over here. Hi Mihir. So tell me two dishes that you liked at this place.
Okay, so I like achari mushroom wonton. I liked it because it was crisp from the outside and the core had a mushroom and it was soft, balanced in spices. So that's the way I usually like mushroom. So I like that very much. I also like that soup. That was
the sabji and the pasta.
Sabji and the pasta soup. Yeah, that you said it right. That the sabji and the pasta soup. It has little chunks of pasta. It's a fusion of minestrone and rasam.
Yeah.
So I liked it the most, and the bread that was served with the soup was awesome. That perfectly complemented the soup.
Okay, so now tell me one of the dishes that you did not like in this place.
Okay, I didn't like that scooped potatoes that were served with achari paneer. A little dry, I would say. A good dip with that would serve the purpose.
Okay, thank you. Right now I'm at Tamasha and the minute I entered this place, I was wowed by this lovely backdrop that you can see right now. Besides that, the starters of this place are really tasty. My friends told me that they told me that I've totally missed on the drinks, but I'm not feeling bad about that. So I'm guessing that the drinks were really tasty as well. And as far as the food is concerned, you already heard what these guys told you. So that's about it. And if you guys like the video, then do give it a like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.